Okay, welcome everybody to another video. So in this video, I just want to buttress and furthermore explain and show you the power of the B&C trend magnets. Okay, so you can use this like I told you. Okay, like I told you, you can see you can use it in boom and crash markets, volatility markets, step index market, currency markets. Okay, is an awesome indicator which I will recommend for you guys because why you can use in varieties of markets. This is crash 300 1 hour. Okay, let me go to 30 minutes. Let me just refresh so that indicators can show up. All right, just one indicator and that's all. Probably the impress magic band and that's all you need. Okay, that's all you need. That's all you need. So take a look at it. What in principle, it is still the same thing. When there's a breakout, you are good to go. When there's a breakout from the band, the upper band or the lower band, that's number one. Number two, wait for the B&C trend magnet signal to come up. And once it come up, you are good to go. Trade to the opposite direction of the band. Okay, what am I trying to say? In this crash 300, now if you look at this very well, there was a breakout here above like this. Okay, that's criteria number one. And then criteria number two, wait for the B&C arrow to show. Okay, and then what you do, you set down till it touches the lower band. You can exit your trade here. You understand me? So it began to spike and spike down until it got to the lower band. Look at this. The second thing you should also look at is the arena of the zone 90 or zone 10 and below, 90 above. So when the market is somewhere around here, okay, giving you a signal to sell as you've gotten here. Remember, this is a double top. Those who trade price action, you can see. So probably you'd have entered from here. You'd have entered from here at this first signal got in, and you went down. It still took you to the lower band where you got your profit, okay, and then it came up again to break above. You understand? So this place now is coming from 90. So what do you do? Enter your trade, put your stop loss, and leave your target open. Let it run down to 10. This one is very fast. You can see how it went straight down to 10. Okay. Now look at this one, how it went up and down, yet still going up to 90. It didn't go a straight way like this one went. That's how market is. Today is different from tomorrow is different. Next tomorrow is different. It moves in different shades, not on one straight way. Good. Now there's a breakout here you can see for a buy, and we got a buy signal at the blue arrow to what to sell above the upper band, which we actually got it. We entered and price came to our entry, I believe, yeah, and then took us back right up to the upper band where you'd have taken your profits and you get out. You understand me? This is just crash 300. Let me spend time also in other indices. This is volatility 10 or volatility index, step index. I know what I'm saying. Now look at this. All you need is what? A breakout above, number one, the signal from B&C, number two, and then look at the zone where it's coming from. If it's coming from above, you leave your trade to run. Look at it. It did a double top here as well. There was a breakout here. Trade it down low without quarrel, without fighting and struggle. There was a breakout here too. Look at the buy signal we got here to trade above upper band. So you don't need all. Just choose two index. It could be volatility 50 and crash 300 or volatility 10 and volatility 75. That's all. The all powerful volatility 75. Look at it being crushed by this indicator. Look at it. 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 Let's go to 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes time frame. Okay. You can see the same principle. Now you can see how the market is moving up an uptrend. Now in that uptrend, there were a few breakouts above the what, the upper band, and you can see what happened when there was a breakout. What happened? It came peacefully to the lower band, giving you your profits to sell, to sell. Look at it, to sell. And there were sell signals in all these places gotten by the B&C. As long as there's a breakout, you're good to go. You understand? You're good to go. That's all. Look at more. Let me show you more. Let me show you more. Let me show you more. Okay, look at this. There was a breakout above. Your stop loss must be intact. Okay, top loss max 20 pips, and you should be targeting ratio 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. So if your stop loss gets it once, okay, you're only losing 20 pips. For example, $10 example, and then if you had winning trades, 5 winning trades, 3 losing trades. Those 5 winning trade, and you got a ratio 1 to 4. That's $80 times 4, $240. And then your losses were 2 hitting trades, which is 20 pips. That's 40 pips. That's let me say $40. So that's how you grow your account. Okay. If you target opportunities whereby your winning ratio is ratio 1, the stop loss to 3 to 4 to 5. So if you win 7, you lose 2, you are still on the winning side. That's how account keeps growing up. That is how you grow your account gradually. If your opportunities you get are winning trades more than losing trades, and your ratio win to lose loss ratio is 1 to 4, 1 to 5. It depends on how the market moves. You can get 1 to 7. You understand? That's what I'm saying. So your account just keep building up with all these opportunities. Look at there's a break above. It gave a signal here. You can see the signal right there. And it traded down to lower band. It gave a double bottom here as a sign of reversal. And it reverted. Look at the buy signal here. You got it. 1, 2 because of the double bottom there. And it traded up to where? The upper band. It traded up to the upper band. That is just out. Let me move to another index. That's volatility 25. This is volatility 25. You can see the same principle applies. Very easy. Look at this. There was a breakout here below. We got a buy signal here. You can see which took us right above to the upper band, and you close your trade. Along the line, there'll be resistance, there'll be drawback, pullback, but it must get to its destination. That's one thing you understand. Don't take signals within, signals outside. A breakout. When there's a breakout above, there will be a breakout below. Look at this breakout above here. We got a sell signal here, and it took us that down below. Also break out the lower band. Look at it. We got a buy signal here to move above, and look at the move up. So put your stop loss and you leave it open to ride. At the end of the day, you have ratio 1 to 4 or 5. You see, so if you have a risk account from your original account, you can risk that account and enter multiple positions. As long as you know it to get to upper bound, just keep leaving it to ride. Okay, that is it. So look at this more and more. Look at this breakout above. Yeah, we got a sell to go down. This is a breakout below. Okay, look at this breakout above again. Come down, breakout below to go up. You can cross volatility indices. This is the way, bro. This is the way. This is the way. This is the way. Just like I said, just pick two and focus and focus and milk. Make sure your stop loss. Look at this. There's a breakout below here, and we got a buy signal here to ride all the way up. You can see it came up, came down again. There was an engulfing candle that tells you it's going back up, and it went back up again. A breakout below here to ride above. Look at the buy signal here. Let me move down quickly to volatility 50. Okay, that's not 6 step index, the same principle. Step index, the same. Let me refresh a little. All right, you can see where there's a breakout, wait for the sell signal, and you get it and you write it down. There was a breakout below here and the buy signal appeared. You can see to write it above. Put your stop loss, hold your trade till it gets to the upper band, no matter the shaking on the way. Look at this. There's a breakout above here, and we've got a sell signal here to write down. Like I said, always look at where it's coming from. This is from level 10, and you know it's riding up to 90. You can see. So in the road, it went up, up, down, as if it's reversing, began to go back up again to level 90. You understand? But let your target just be the upper band, the lower band, and all that. Okay. Okay. So if you're coming from level 90 or 10, you can leave your trade open to the right above, like this place, like this particular place here now. There was a breakout above here, and we got a sell signal here, went back up again, we got that sell signal, and the selling was more than the buying because it's coming from 90. You understand? Good, 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 good. That is it. That's it. Now you can see what I'm trying to say. When it's coming from 90 at this zone here, from the sell, when you open it down, you see it riding down because it's heading to another zone. You get it? So you can leave your trade open. This is just for 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Okay. Yeah. Just be monitoring trade and be moving your stop loss closer, closer, closer. Moving your stop loss to lock in profits every time. Every time market move like 20 pips, move your stop loss. Every 20 pips, move your stop loss. Every 20 pips until you get to lower band. Okay. Now you can see that this is just how it works. This is step index. You can see the same principle apply. The same principle apply. The same principle apply. Just look at this. Look at this. Let me just show you some before I close this video. There was a breakout above here. It gave a double top and it sells signal to write down. And you can see it went straight down to 10. Straight down to 10. All right, guys.